Artoonza.
Hey, crane cadets and glitter mechanics! Ready to build a giant truck with a tiny bottle cap trick and the sassiest color injections ever! Today, we're turning bottle cap circles into heavy-duty wheels, drawing a crane that could lift your snack, then decking it out with glossy nail polish, neon acrylic drops, and glitter that gets vacuumed up by a naughty little cleaner because we aren't savages. This is messy, sparkly, slightly rebellious, and totally kid-approved. Grab caps, markers, and your biggest imagination.
Aw, so cute.
Let's make a crane truck so shiny, even the construction site will clap. Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Pink splash time. Drop the pink like a secret pinky promise. Then brush it into a cotton candy crane truck. Don't be shy, color high. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. Now you've got wheels that could roll a cookie right off the table. Color, color, color. Is this crane truck getting ready for party or something? Absolutely. It's not just a crane truck. It's a glitter-fueled, nail-polished, color-injected party machine on wheels. Red power burst, drip, swirl, and watch this truck flirt with danger. The safe, sparkly kind. Purple party potion, tiny drops, big magic. Now our crane speaks royal sparkle. This crane truck didn't come here to build roads. It came to steal the spotlight and serve glossy nail polish realness. If it gets any shinier, we'll need a backup dance crew. Glossy yellow polish, paint it so shiny the sun asks for sunglasses. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Green go-go juice, add green drops, and suddenly the crane is eco-chic and ready to lift leaves. Color injections, one tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Whee! Orange confetti drip, pop an orange, and the truck throws a tiny construction parade. Glossy sky blue polish time, painted so smooth the clouds will ask for autographs. Wheels, crane arm, and rainbow color injections, our crane truck is a masterpiece. Light blue glitter finale, top it with glittery blue polish, so cool even clouds get jealous. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.